Hello and welcome back to Spoken Essays. I am Harshivara and you're looking at the live video. In the previous live video, we started with relational databases and we set it up. Setting up didn't take much time really, but we began with relational databases and working on a virtual machine to learn, Postgres. We're learning Postgres, and last night I also learned some terminal commands that I didn't know about. So that's new, and that's what I've been working on. So let's see what I have in store for me today. Okay, let me share my screen with you guys. Yeah, that's display capture I intended for window capture. Yup, very cool. Yoo-hoo. Yeah, and I've turned overlays off because you guys otherwise you won't be able to see any of the commands that I write. And I'll do one more thing. I will place myself above on the right of the screen so you guys can enjoy that. Cool. So let's see what we are dealing with today. Okay, very good. Cool. Okay, so this is what we're going to work on. I can go full screen. Let's resume. It says start the course, but we are resuming the course because it's running on a virtual machine. So yeah, we just have to wait for a couple of seconds. And if you guys are worried about your progress, I pressed the wrong button, ouch, then worry not. We will have all the points that we need here on July 28th and now on July 29th. Yeah, sorry about that, I have to click on this again now. Oh, but it has been initialized already. Very good, because it's in my cache. Cool. Now we continue from where we left off. We'll have to do a few things first, of course. I'll go full screen in this so you guys can read it and look at it better. Cool. So this is where we were in the previous live. Let's see. We'll let it run its processes and everything. And now we open the terminal. The shortcut for terminal in this virtual machine is Control Shift tilde. Now it says project, so first we have to log on to the table or the database. So how I will do that is this doesn't have bash history. Sheesh. Okay, that means I have to log on to that, and I do not remember. Ouch. That means I'll have to review the login code again. Oh, that's the insert. That means it should be on top. Okay. First, I'll write PSQL, PostgreSQL, and then double hyphen username equals freeCodeCamp, and then DB name, so name of the database Postgres, and now we are logged in. Cool. The next thing I want to do is connect to the. Now we can go back to our this thing. Okay, so we are working with second table, are we? So first let me show my data. Didn't find any relations else. Okay, so we were inside Mario database, so I have to go inside Mario database now. To do that, I write /c and I write Mario underscore DATA semicolon. Now we are now connected to database Mario database. Okay, as user freeCodeCamp, that's the name of the user. That's okay. Now we're going to do things to the second table. As you can see here, you are ready to start adding some rows to this table. I'll show you what the table looks like. This is what the database's tables are. One table is called characters, and the second table is called character ID seq sequence. So one is a table and one is a sequence. Now we are going to work with interesting. Acha. Right. I don't know what we are going to work with. Okay, fine. But we have two databases. One is, oh, we have two rows. What? I think characters, please. Ah, so we have character ID, name, homeland, and favorite color. Cool. These are the columns. Now the first parenthesis is for the column names. Yup, you can put as many columns as you want, whatever number of columns I want to edit. I mention them in this function call as arguments. The second parenthesis is for the okay, and add a row to your table. Okay, so we'll add a row. First we write insert into, then I write, instead of, I write CHARACTERS, then parenthesis, I open the parenthesis. Now what are we supposed to do? Give it a name of Mario. So we're going to choose a name, then homeland. This is all comma separated. Mushroom Kingdom, and a favorite color. FAVORATE underscore COLOR. Very good. So name, homeland, mushroom kingdom, and favorite color. Are we supposed to give it any ID? Give it an ID. I think ID should be 1 then, because it says here character ID should not be null. So I don't think if we whether we'll pass these tests or not. And in the values we write, for name we write Mario. Guys, we are not working with strings here. I mean, we don't have to mention a string in single quotes unless absolutely told, and I think we have to wrap this in single quotes because we're storing a name, a string, not a variable or nothing like that in this database. Nothing, no database name, nothing like that. It might misunderstand Mario with a Mario database called Mario or something else. I really don't know. Next, homeland is mushroom. Oh, I see what I did there. Only name, homeland, and favorite color are mushroom kingdom and red. Cool. So this is what we are giving it. I'll read this again. The first parenthesis is for column names. You can put as many columns as you want. The second parenthesis, okay. Add a row to your table. Give it a name of Mario. Homeland of Mushroom Night Kingdom. And favorite color red. There's an extra space. I don't need it. Do we pass the test? Should have the correct row for Mario. Name is for Mario. Insert into table name characters. CHARACTERS. Yeah. Oh, I think semicolon was the problem. And I can't paste that here. Come on. But yeah. That's not allowed. Why? Clicked on about blank. Say I have given it permission to the clipboard. Fine. Insert into values. Are there any capitals? Nope. Okay. Now characters. Inside the characters we write the name again, homeland again, and FA VORITE_COLOR. As you can understand, these are column names, that's why they look like that. They do not have any parentheses. Mario Mushroom Kingdom Red semicolon. Yep, I understood what the error is. It printed that line twice. I have no clue with what the problem is with this virtual machine. Yeah, but it does that. Insert 01, done. Nice. Mario should have a row now, and his character ID should have been automatically added because it's supposed to be not null, so it won't just sit there empty-handed. Cool. Yeah, just a bunch of dust here. Anyway, next, Mario should have a row. Okay, view all the data in the characters. Acha, with select to do this. Okay, you know what, I'll have to press enter. Okay, select characters. Wait, all the data in your characters tables. Okay, select Postgres. I forgot, it seems. Postgres select, how do you do it? What's the syntax? Filter your rows using where. Select from. Okay, from. Oh wait, is the table called characters? Yes, from Mario database. Okay, I'll have to get a hint. Yes, I use select and from. What is this again? View all your data in your characters table. Select to do this. Yeah, I did. Select columns from. Acha, it's supposed to be table name. Okay, now I get it. I know what to do. Yup, and we're done. Woo! I can see a Mario character has been added. I didn't know Mario was from Mushroom Kingdom. The Mushroom Kingdom is the primary setting of the Super Mario franchise, first appearing in Super Mario Bros. Its appearance. Anyway, nice. Good to go. Very good. Okay. Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. Bing bing bing. Bing 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 bing. Bing 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 bing. Bing 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 bing. Bing 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 bing. Ding ding ding. Okay, add another low for Luigi. Give it a name of Luigi, a homeland of Mushroom Kingdom, and a favorite color of green. Yep. I'll go to my history and we'll change these values. Instead of Mario, now you write Luigi. The semicolon disappeared, did it? I must have made a mistake. Okay, insert into characters. Name, homeland, favorite color. Luigi is also from Mushroom Kingdom and their favorite color is green. Woo! Please run. Done. Nice. View all the data with select again. Gladly. Sorry about that. Yeah. The yawns do not go. Anyway. View all the data in your... I did. Next. Okay, it looks like it's all working. Add another row for Peach. Give her the values Peach, Mushroom Kingdom and Pink. Peach. Done. Adding rows one at a time is quite tedious. Here is an example of how you could have added the previous 3 rows at once. सही है. Thank you. Mario, Mushroom Kingdom red, Luigi, Mushroom Kingdom pink, green. Add 2 more rows, give the first one values. Okay. Oh, अच्छा. Give the first one values what? Toadstool. It should be lowercase. Title case. Mushroom Kingdom and their favorite color is red. Nice. Now I have to type that again. But it will be easier. Next is Bowser. You guys know who Bowser is, don't you? Nice. So Toadstool, Mushroom Kingdom red, and then that. Do we separate it with commas? Yes, we do. Yep. Run the tests. Done. And we pass. If you don't get a message after a command, it is likely incomplete. Yeah, I agree. This is because you can put a command on multiple lines, add 2 more rows. Yeah, I noticed it. Add 2 more rows, give the first one values. Okay. Now we're dealing with Dinosaur Land. So Dinosaur Land, Dinosaur, and their character's name will be Yoshi. Yoshi, why is that common? Oh, I've seen it before. Yeah, Yoshi. Yoshi from Dinosaur Land with the color green, and Sarah's. Okay. There is another land called Sarah's Land apparently. So it won't be Mushroom Kingdom again. Will be, or is it Sarah's Land? Okay. So not Sarah's Land. And this will be Daisy. Daisy from Sarsaland who likes the color yellow, and Yoshi from Dinosaur Land who likes green. Done. Let's pass this. Yup, level complete. How much have we finished so far? 39%. Cool. Yeah, it is a 152 long course after all. 152 lesson long course after all. Okay. Let's see. Take a look at all the data in your table with select to see where you stand. Okay. For that I'll press up a few times to go through the history. Yep. We have 7 entries or 7 rows for Mario, Luigi, Peach, Toadstool, Bowser, Daisy and Yoshi, and of course their respective homelands are mentioned. The respective homelands, yeah, and their favorite colors are also mentioned. Nice. Next, looks good, but there's a few mistakes. There are a few mistakes. You can change a value like this: update table name, so the name of the table, and then set column name equals column name new value where, and we set the condition. Cool. Let's see. You used username Samus as a condition earlier. Yes. Set Daisy's favorite color to orange. You can use the condition name Daisy to change her row. Cool. So you update uppercase, update, all commands are uppercase. Table name is characters. Set. Now column name new value. Column name. So what are we changing? We are changing Daisy's favorite color to orange. Daisy's favorite color to orange, from yellow to orange. So I write FAVORITE underscore color equals string ORANGE close where username equals, I think we don't need to use single quotes here. I think yes, I'm sorry, I was wrong. And this shouldn't be username because this is name, where name is, so you're changing favorite color where the name is Daisy. That means favorite color will also have an equal to, and this should also be an that a semicolon. Right. Update characters, set favorite color orange where name Daisy. Update characters table, set favorite colors equals orange, favorite color equals orange where name Daisy. Do we pass the test or is it incorrect? We pass the test. Now I know what it will ask. It will ask us to take a look. The command you just does exactly what it sounds like. It finds the row where name is Daisy and sets her favorite color to orange. Take a look at all the data in your table again to see if she got updated. Let's see. Yep. Wait, what? Orange. Where is orange? Yep. Daisy. Yeah. Set to orange. Next. Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. Ding 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 ding. Her favorite color was updated. Toadstool's name is wrong as well. It's actually Toad. Please update to set his name to Toad. Use the condition favorite color red. Where name Toad. Stool. Your favorite color red. Is there are 2 red colors, bro. Fine. FAVORITE, and we change the name, but it will apply that to Mario and Toadstool both. How do you expect me to change that? Use update set to set his name to Toad. I think they are deliberately asking us to do this so that we understand that this command is actually invalid, or I'm not invalid, it shouldn't be used this way because we have two red colors. How will it know which to change, or will it change the both of them? I don't know. Favorite color red. Let's read this again. Her favorite color was updated. Toadstool name is wrong as well. It's actually Toad. Acha, ठीक है. Use update to set his name to Toad. Root. Okay, so update character set name Toad. Done. That's taken care of. Use the condition favorite color red. Yeah, it's a lesson really, but I understand what this would do. It would change things where, yeah, whoever has the favorite color red, their names would become Toad. I don't know why they did that, but we passed the test either way. Character should have the correct row for Mario. Exactly. So it's a test for us, is it? Set name as Toad where favorite color is red. Bro, we have two red colors. And it updated two values, didn't it? What does the error say? Character should have the correct row for Mario. So I don't think there is a Mario anymore. Let's see. Yeah, I wrote that. Set name Toad where favorite color red. Yeah. I wrote exactly this. Try entering update characters set name equals Toad where FAVORITE underscore COLOR red semicolon. That's exactly what I did. I am already logged in, my friend. I know this is your problem, although I can fix it. If I look at the database now, it will tell me that there are two Toad entries. So now I have to rename character ID. Rename the name character ID Toad with, yeah, fine. I can do it, but yeah. ठीक है. I don't know if this was a mistake or you guys didn't understand. Whoever built this test didn't understand. Character underscore ID. Well, this is the only thing that's unique. Of course, we wouldn't know it without looking at it. But now that I am looking at it, I know that this is the only unique thing. The rest, I would have to put too many parameters, and I don't know how to put more than one parameter. So with this as the choice, yeah, set name to Mario, and it will be able to find Mario now. Yep, we will pass the test because with this we were only able to change that. So I don't know why they asked us to use that as a parameter. Set the condition as use the condition favorite red. Maybe it was a lesson. Take a look at all your data. Yeah, gladly. Nope. Plus I won't be able to kill. Yeah. Cool. Select. So now we have this. So many glitches. Come on, just okay. Next. Using favorite color red was not a good idea. Mario's name changed to Toad. I know. And yet now there are two rows. I took care of that. Well, almost. Only the character ID is different. Literally, oh, these guys are okay. You'll have to use that to change it back to Mario. Bro, there's some problem with that. How do I report this? I have to report it. What settings do we have? Of course, I can reset the tutorial. think, yeah. How to report a bug to freeCodeCamp. Yes, I would like to know. Look at that, a cute picture of a bug. Reset the code in the editor. Bro, are you telling us to troubleshoot or... Yeah, I can reset the code. Use a coding keyboard. What is a coding keyboard? Which makes it easier to type code in the system. Acha. Apparently. Furthermore, these coding keyboards are designed in a way that can make it easier. Acha. Of course, this is some blog website. 15 best keyboard. Should be keyboards. 5 best keyboards for programming, whatever. Keycron and whatnot. Anyway. Okay, so we could use that. Do a hard refresh. How to do a hard refresh? An hard... Why is this an? How to do an hard refresh? How to do a hard refresh? Hard. H. Starts with H. Hard. Define hard, please. Okay. Hard phonetic spelling. Hard. Exactly. There shouldn't be an ha. Mac Apple is Apple Shift R. What is Apple Shift R? I have never come across. What is the Apple button? On MacBook. Command key is also known as the Apple key. Allah ऐसा बोलो ना यार क्या यार. Command Shift R would hard reset this thing. Right. F5, just F5. Yeah. Try removing all your locally stored challenges. Yeah, I would like that actually. Mac OS is Command Option J. Eh? Did I make a mistake or something? Sorry. Command OPT J. Yep, it opened the console. Okay. JavaScript console is that. Allah. Did it automatically move to this? No. Okay, go to the resources tab. Thank you. Let me read that again. Go to resources tab, Chrome. This is sources. This is not resources. Oh, maybe yeah. Yeah. Anyway. Signed in, enable settings, सही है ये सब अपना auto open dev tools for pop-ups. Anyway, we can do this later. Oh, we can add emulated devices here. That is crazy. Emulated devices. We can add a Galaxy Fold and then we'll be able to emulate it. Very cool. Anyway, right. Go to resources tab. Where are the resources tab? Where is the resources tab? Network, performance, memory, application, lighthouse, recorder, add block, cookie editor. Nope. There click on local storage. Do you mean sources or resources, man? Do we have local storage? No. Page, file system, content scripts, snippets. Elements, console, sources, network. That's what the network's like. queued at 1.21. Anyway, these are all requests. Fetch, GCSS requests, whatever. We can manually disable cache. What is this? Stop sending requests or whatever. Memory, performance. Where is the resources tab? I do not see it. Is this supposed to be? Okay, there click on the local storage in the nav bar on the right. Memory, sources, page, maybe it's in here. Nope. File system, you wanted local storage, didn't you? Is this supposed to be in here? Anyway, or I can just do a hard refresh. How to remove a single challenge from in Chrome freeCodeCamp. You do this in Firefox. Cool. Anyway, let's refresh. Apple Shift R, Command Shift R. Yeah. How do I save my progress, man? Even if I can't, that's a hard refresh. Yup, start the course, please. Dun, 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 dun. Bing, 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 bing. Ding, ding, ding. Bing, 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 bing. Bing, bing, bing. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Go to the Yep, this session was released. Yep. Next. Okay, using favorite color red was not a good idea. Only the character ID is different. You'll have to. ये कर दिया मैंने. Characters should have the correct. नहीं, इसने challenge को reset किया होगा. Fine. Yeah. Done. It said update 0. That means it changed nothing. Select from characters. अल्लाह पूरा characters खाली हो गया. What? I definitely need to clear my local storage and reset all this. Please reset this. Yep, okay, we're back to this. Cool. Now we go. Oh, come on. बे यार ये क्या मजाक है. 50 commands एक बार. And I can't. Okay. Update characters name Toad. Nope. Set name WarioWare character ID 1. Yep, done. We have passed it. Hard refresh worked, but we had to do a few more things. As in, I need not have done that. I could have just reset it. Could just have reset it. Full screen, please. Come on, I need to go full screen. Oh, Google Password Manager. Yeah, you guys don't need to look at that. We go full screen how? Actual size. Right. Yeah, this is too small for me and for the users. whatever. इसको बंद करो. Right, take a look at all the data in your table again to see if Mario's name got changed back. Just a second. Mario's name got changed back. Yep, it did. Mario is now Mario. Huh. I need to understand how sorting works. Looks like it worked. Toad's favorite color is wrong. He likes blue. Change Toad's favorite color to blue. Okay. I'm sure in the history somewhere we have this command. Change color, favorite color to blue. Oh, but this will be different. We write where here and we write name equals Toad, because we are changing its color and not its name. So set favorite color to blue where the name is Toad. Cool. Use whatever condition you want, but don't change any of the other rows. Cool. Done. It has been updated, but I have to click on run to run the test, because why not? Bowser's favorite color is wrong. Wow, they're making us practice. That's okay. Color is wrong. He likes yellow. One more yawn and I will get coffee. Who? Bowser. Done. एक सेकंड, क्या बोला उसने? Why don't you update it without changing any other rows? I did, bro. There's only one Bowser, bro. Bowser's homeland is wrong as well. ठीक है, वो भी देख लेते हैं. Homeland is supposed to be what? Koopa Kingdom. Done. Ding 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 ding. Take a look at all the data in your table again. Yep. Select everything from characters. And it's in this order: last changed. Whatever view last edited will be at the end of the array, because if you think about it, everything is concatenated. Next. It seems I have to get coffee. I'll be right back with you guys in a few minutes. When I come back, I'll continue with relational databases. Thank you. Yo, I'm back. Let's see what I was up to. So the last thing we did was change the color to yellow and Koopa Kingdom. Cool. Actually, you should put that in order. Here's an example. Nice. So now we will sort the database. Select columns. Select all columns from characters. Just a second. Yep, let's go. Right, I had a mug with me. Anyway, so what does this say? Select columns from characters and we use order by column name. So we write character underscore id semicolon. That's the command. View all the data again, put it in order by character id. Yep. Now it has been sorted and it returns the sorted array, sorted row. Done. Next. Interesting. Must have had that. Okay, it looks good. Now you're going to add a primary key. It's a column that uniquely identifies each row in the table. We already have the ID. Okay. The name column is pretty unique. Why don't you use that as the primary key? अच्छा वैसा. Okay. All the table characters and primary key. Done. It has been altered. Let's run the tests. Yep. You should set a primary key on every table and there can only be one per table. Oh, right. Every table. There will only be one primary key which would hold all the unique values. Well, these are also unique values. I don't understand why they did not give character ID unique values. I mean the primary key values, the primary key. Okay. Take a look at the details of a characters table to see the primary key. Okay, so it returns this. You can see here character ID, name, homeland. Character is integer. These are varchar, variable. So varchar. It's varchar. And its index is, say, characters p key, primary key, b tree, name. Nice. Done. You can see the key for your name column at the bottom. Yep. It's called characters p key. It would have been better to use character ID for another primary key. Do you think? is an example of how to drop a constraint. Drop the primary key on the name column. You can see the constraint name is characters B key. Okay, let's do it. Alter table name characters drop constraint, as in the characters P key characters underscore P key semicolon. Done. It has been altered and we pass the test. Woo! View the details of the characters table to make sure it's gone. Gladly. It is gone. Let's go and set the primary key again. But now instead we use character underscore ID. Oh. Done. It has been altered and we pass the test. Now we set the character IDs as the primary key. So if I write /d /d, first of all enter /d and I write characters, we will see that we have a P key, primary key for the character ID. Next, that's better. The table looks complete for now. Next, create a table named more_info for some extra info about the characters. How do we create a table again? Do I simply write create table? I forgot. In Postgres. Yep, I forgot. And okay, it's you simply write create table. Ouch. It's as simple as that apparently. Ouch. Create a table named more info I think there's supposed to be parentheses when we're creating tables. It has been created. Nice. View the databases. Yep, we have 3 databases now: characters, character ID sequence, and more info. Nice. And the owner is freeCodeCamp. It is not the third one, but whatever. I think I have a clue. View the details of characters table. Gladly, yeah. The ID sequence of all the characters. That's what it stores here. Acha. noise. This is what finds the next value for the character ID, where the first value is, where the second value is, where the third value is. Add a new column. Alter table yeah, ultimately I'm googling everything. Do we simply alter table and add column? Yep, alter table. Which are we editing? Character. Nope, we're changing more. Add a column to your new table named more info ID. Hey? Right. More underscore info is the name of the table, and we add a column. What's the name? More underscore info underscore ID. And you give it a serial value. Done. Next. Set your new column as the primary key for this table. P key. P key blenders. Now instead of characters, you'll say more info. The primary key shall be no. What is it called? Where are the commands? Create table, more info, info ID serial. So more info underscore ID. info ID. There is an error. Alter table called more info. Add primary key, where the key is the name of the column. More underscore info underscore ID, right? Yeah. Error at or near more info ID. Acha. I think it's the single quotes. Yep. Because because column names, we didn't use quotes for column names. Next. View the tables in Mario database again. We have characters in their character ID sequence and more info in its more info ID sequence. Yep. It does automatically increment. There it is. Add another column. Gladly. Let's type all the commands then. Alter table. Info. Add column. We are appending a column called birthday. And give it a data type of date. Nice. Next. Add a height column, another column. HEIGHT. It's HEI. And the type is an integer. Int. Very cool. It has been altered. Nice. I mean, it has been given add a weight column. Is it weight or okay, height weight? Lowercase. What are you supposed to be? Numeric 4 comma space 1. Let's try and deduce. Let's try and deduce what this might mean. Numeric 4 1. Oh, up to 4 decimals. Four digits has up to 4 digits, and one of them has to be to the right of the decimal point. Okay. No. I didn't even add the weight column, did I? Details of more info. I passed the test because that's what. Are you checking my keystrokes or what? I didn't even write the test. I mean, I didn't even press enter. I don't know what they're checking. They might be checking my keystrokes or whatever's in the last line. Oh, they must be checking the state property, or might be. Anyway, there's your 4 columns and the primary key. Yup. You created at the bottom to know what the row is for a character. You need to set a foreign key so you can relate rows from this table to rows from your characters table. Acha. Okay, so you alter a table, whatever the name is. You add a column called whatever the name of the column is. You write the data type, and then you add another argument. I should say argument, maybe something else. And you write a reference table name. So this would be characters, and this would be the name of the column of whatever the characters, whatever that is. Okay, that's quite the command. Characters, because that's the data is, and the name of the column itself, whatever columns I want to add. So I write character underscore ID. Oh, we're only importing IDs apparently. So its corresponding values are set. Now these IDs could be ABC1235. It could be anything really. So that's why we're importing IDs and not names or anything like that. Oh, I forgot a. Come on. How? Okay, so it's an invalid command, so I can't paste. Bro, come on, I gave it clipboard permissions. What do you mean? It's on. Even the location is on, despite the fact that we don't need to give it notification. I have. Okay, I have to type this. Fine. Yep, everything uppercase should be returned first then. Next, alter table, now lowercase. More info, add column called character underscore ID. Its data type integer. Characters is the, come on. Characters is the name of the table and character ID is what we are importing. Semicolon has been added. Let's check for any typos. Cool, no typos. Yep. But now it printed 2 lines because why? I don't know. कुछ भी नया नया ले आते हैं. It has been altered. Something fell. Right. Abbe, do not mess with the wire. It tends to mess back. Next. Okay. I do want to look at the database right now. So let's see what it looks like. So there is a foreign key constraint now. And it has been given a character ID. To do that, we have to write select all from more_info. Bro. Oh. Bro, me, sorry. I know, because it printed that twice. Okay, it's empty. Because we haven't added anything yet. Yeah. To set a row in more info for Mario, you just need to set the character ID value to whatever it is in the characters table. Take a look at the details of more info to see your foreign key. I did. We've passed it. Yeah. There's your foreign key at the bottom. These tables have a one-to-one relationship. One row in the characters table will be related to exactly one row in one more info and vice versa. Enforce that by adding the unique constraint to your foreign key. Here's an example. To the column you just added. What is the column we just added? Character ID. Nice. It has been altered. The column should also be not null. Since you don't want to have a row that is for nobody. No. Nobody can do this killing. So alter table more info, alter column, character ID set not null. Yep. Done. Take a look at the details of your more info table to see all the keys and constraints you added. Oh, what happens when I put uppercase D instead of lowercase d? Let's see. More info please. That is incorrect. because it's lowercase. Capital D is an invalid command. Cool. You can see here now it has 2 indexes and 1 foreign key constraint, and it has this. Yup. More info, header ID, F key, character ID, references, character ID. Nice. Next. The structure is set. Now you can add some rows. First you need to know what character ID you need for the foreign key column. You have viewed all columns in a table with asterisk. You can pick columns by putting in the column name instead of asterisk. Use select to view the character ID column from the characters table. Select character ID from characters table. Now one has disappeared. No, one has not disappeared. It's unsorted. That list of numbers doesn't really help. You select again to display both the character ID and the name from the characters table. Gladly. Comma spaced values for the win. Done. That's better. You can see Mario's ID there. Now some more info for him. Add a row. I just remember this. Something. Anyway, add a row to more info with the above date. Okay, sorry. Add a row. Okay, to what more info? Cool. I think I should type it out now. Alter table more info. You don't write add a row. What do we write? Okay. I'll Google add a row in SQL table. Post GraceQL. We use insert apparently. Okay. Create table product no integer name. Okay. Hey. Insert into. Interesting. Can I try that? Let's see. It's Postgres is the official documentation. Insert a row would be insert into products values 1 cheese 9.99. Nice. Insert into more underscore more info, and we write values. Okay, what do you want? A date, birth date. Add a row to more info with the above data using the insert into and values keywords. Allah, I should have read this. Sorry, I should have read that. I should have read that. Be sure to set his character ID when adding him. Oh, what's the, by the way, arrangement? More info ID, birthday, height, weight, and character ID. This will be automatically added. Only 3 IDs will be automatic. Why do I need to set character ID? It's not null. It will automatically take the character ID. whatever. Right, date is supposed to be in a string format, so 1981 hyphen 07 hyphen 09 single quote over, then height is a number, so it's not a string, then this is a float point, so 64.5, close. Add a row to more info, so with the above data for Mario, अच्छा Mario के लिए करना है ना, so we use where, character ID will be automatically set, it already uses the not null criteria. Invalid input syntax for type integer. Bro, but it's a date. Okay, I need to understand birthday is a date format, right? That means, yeah, it said invalid for type integer. Whose type is integer? Height. That means this, it consumed that as the height. Let's see. 155 comma space. Failing row contains null. Allah. Is it because you're expecting an integer? Yep. That's right. Mario was 1, so cool, inserted. Yep. View all the data in more info. So view all the data. Select all the data in from yep. Next, thing, you're going to add some info for Luigi. Select again to view the character ID. Okay. Allah. Character ID and name columns from select from characters and find his ID. Who's Luigi? 2 number. Next, it is number 2, and now we're going to set its value to number 2. Very cool. Its weight, Luigi's weight is 48.8. He's light. And their birth date is, his birthday is 1983. Next, I mean, yeah, this was pretty easy to do. View all data in more info to see more info for Luigi. Cool. View all the data. That means select. So many spaces, sorry about that. From more info. Next, yep, all the data has been Successfully entered. Was the height supposed to be 155? Okay. Peach is next. View the character ID and name colors from the characters table again so you can find her ID. Yep. Select character underscore ID, comma space, name, from. That works. Select character underscore ID and name from characters. Who are we looking for? Peach. Peach is number 3. Next. Peach will be given these values. Her weight is 52.2 and her height is 173. Their birth date is 1985. Done. We managed to enter the character ID as well. Toad is next. Okay, instead of viewing all the rows to find his ID, you can just view his row with a where condition. Where is Toad? Right. You used several earlier to delete and update rows. You can use it to view rows as well. Here's an example. So filtering data. Select columns. Which columns do we want? Character ID. From which table? Characters. Where? Name equals क्या चाहिए? Toad. The name equals Toad. So tell me their ID. Tell me the character ID where the name is Toad. Yeah, this is filtering data really. Yep. Ding 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 ding. Okay, now we have to add info for Toad. First I'll change the IDs. Let's change the birth date. Now it's 1950. And the first month, so 10 January 1950 was the birth date of Toad. Is the birth date. And their weight is 35.6. Nice. Done. View all the data. Or you want to view all the data? Fine. Select. Bro, come on. Select everything from more info. It will not be accepted because there was no semicolon. Plus I'll have to write this command again and remove the previous text. Yeah, I'll show you what happens. Now it will say invalid because there are 2 lines of code. अबे पागल कर दिया. बे यार क्या है? View all the data. Fine. Select asterisk from more info. Yep. As you can see, now we have 4 birth dates and their height and weight for Mario, Luigi, Toad and Peach. Bowser is next. Cool. Find his ID by viewing the character ID. Select character ID from characters. Allah. Where name is Bowser. Yep, we've got the character ready. It's 5. Just as expected. I mean, with 4 it would obviously be 5. And now we insert data. Bhai yaar. Now it's अला लिखने तो दे. Fine. Insert into and values at that. Cool. Semicolon. Oh, am I typing too fast? Probably. Right, what values do we want? 5 comma space string 1990 dash 10 dash 29 single quote 258 comma space 300 comma space 5 semicolon enter. Do we pass the test? Yep, but it did not return anything. That means I need to resend this thing. I mean, I am also to blame. I keep typing fast. This thing can't keep up. If it keeps happening, then we'll do it locally. I hope it doesn't. Next, Daisy is next. Okay. Okay, Daisy. Allah जाने तो दे. Let me seek. view is Daisy. Doesn't show me anything, but I know for a fact it's 6 anyway. It's 1989, the 7th month or July, as we say. Her height will be null and her weight will also be null. Done. View all the data. Why can I not? कुछ नया नया आता रहता है यार ये लोग. See, yeah, I think I'll have to refresh the page. I've passed the test anyway, 70% done. Null values show up as blank. Yoshi is last. Find his ID by viewing the character ID and name columns. I did not even write any command and yet I passed the test. Okay, you know what? I'll finish this in this code road thing, but I'll do it locally, man. It's not giving me the results. I mean, it's not responding as fast as I am, let's say. Plus, I'm being casual about this affair. Yeah. Okay. So what did you want to find out? Viewing the character ID and name. Columns for only his row. Yeah, wait, what? Yoshi is last. Find his view ID. Viewing the character and name only his row. अच्छा ऐसा. Select what? Character ID name from more info where there shouldn't be a space. Where what? Yoshi is last. Find his ID. We have to find his ID. Sorry. So we don't do it in more info. We write characters. Select character ID where name is. Where should be uppercase? Where name is what? Yoshi. Doesn't return any commands, but we've passed it either way. I'm going to hard reset this. Yeah, let's just get this over with. What does the console say about you? Handling it well, are we? Clear. Bunch of errors. Look at that. And to believe that this is an HTML page. It's an HTML page entirely. Very cool. Okay, so now we add data for Yoshi. Yoshi's number is 7, obviously. (1990) 04 13. Height shall not be null, it shall be 162. Weight shall be 59.1, and the ID 7. More info does not exist. क्या क्या नया नया लाते रहते हो अभी? Yes, I want to reset. Yeah. We will pass the test, but it won't return. ये क्या है यार? Now you want to look at all the columns and rows. We use select asterisk from more info. I can't see anything. क्यों पता नहीं, but yeah. I'm supposed to assume that it works. Yeah. I would have passed this thing either way. If this continues, I will want to continue in VS Code app. I mean, I would understand a few lags here and there, but I can't even see what the console prints. Echoes. I think there's only one way to solve it. Yeah, it's PSQL. Chill. Can't log in. PSQL -- user name equals CodeCamp db name क्या था डेटाबेस का नाम? db name Postgres. Cool. Connect to wait. क्या मजाक कर रहे हैं? What? Oh, we have to write L list. We have to go to Mario database. Cool. We are back to Mario database. Now I can close this. What was the last command? This is the last command. Fine. Select asterisk from more info. Let's look at the data. Yep, there we have it. It looks good. There is something you can do to help out. What units do the height and weight columns use? It uses centimeters and kilograms, but nobody will know. Rename the height column to height in centimeter. Right. How to change column name in PostgreSQL. Alter table, rename column. Okay. Alter table. Excuse me. Which alter table? More info. alter column, rename column, sorry. Rename column from this to that. Is it weight or height? HEIGHT. To HEIGHT underscore in underscore CMS. Content management system. Anyway, done. It has been altered and we pass the test. We do not pass the test. Yeah. Alter table, rename column 2. Alter table, rename column and 2. Alter table, name of the table. You know what? Yeah. Alter space table space more underscore info. Rename column. Height to height in. Oh, it's C. Oh, ouch. Now I'll have to write height underscore in CMS to height in CM. My bad, sorry. Done. Okay. Height in CM, HEIGHT. Yeah. Now what? I'm going to reset this. Why did Yoshi cause the problem now? What units do height and weight columns use? Yeah. But nobody will know. Yeah. Let's first use the select command to find out what more info looks like. Okay. Cool, so this is what it looks like. Now I shall alter table, more info, rename column, HEIGHT to HEIGHT in CM. Altered, level complete. Yeah. Rename weight column to weight in kg. Done. Next, take a quick look at all the data in more info. Select all from more underscore info. Yep. Nice. Someone's 300 kgs, whoever they are, must be the toad. Anyway, next you will make a sounds table that holds file names of sounds the characters make. Create table parenthesis, the name of the table and then parenthesis, sounds semicolon. Inside those parentheses you can put up columns for a table, so you don't need to add them with a separate command like this. Yep. Sound underscore ID, give it a type of serial, and a constraint of primary key. Done. Passed. Woo. View the tables in Mario database. That is an incorrect command. Yep. We have Mario database, we have Postgres, we have template 0 and template 1. What? View the tables in Mario database. Sorry. Should have written D. Right, we have 3 tables now: characters, more info, and sounds. And they still somehow, worked. There's your sounds table. Yep, there it is. Add a column to it named file name. Okay, now we begin. Insert, nope, not insert. Alter table, sounds, add column, file name, varchar 40 with constraints of not null and unique. I have to check for the hint. Alter table and add column. Yup. Where can not null unique. Okay, so we don't add any other arguments. Cool. Next, you want to use the character ID as a foreign key again. This will be a one-to-many relationship because one character will have many sounds, but no sound will have more than one character. Here's the example again. Alter table, table name, add column, column name, data type, constraints, references. Cool. Yup. Right. Add a column to sounds name, character ID, give it a property. Okay, yeah. Alter table, sounds, add column called character underscore ID. Set its data type. Oh, we have to write the data type integer and not null. And data type, then it's constraint, then RENCES, characters, character ID, spelling of C, character CHARACTR. Let's check. Alter table, sounds, add column, character ID, integer not null, references, characters, character ID, 2 semicolons, and that caused the problem. Plus this double H. Done. Altered. Woo! Nice. Take a look at the details of the sounds table to see all the columns. That means we have to use select. It has 0 rows as of now, but it has been created and it exists. Cool. Note, I'll be right back. Give me a couple of minutes, please. Take a short break. Thank you. And to show you guys what we've finished so far, I'll just show you. We have finished 76% of our project, course. Okay, let's do a few more. Next, what? Next, you will add some rows. But first, view all the data and characters. All the data. Select from come on. So you can find the correct IDs again, order them by character ID. Which one do you want me to do? First select or order? Exactly. And order them by. Achha. Fine. Column name character underscore ID semicolon. Yep. Next, the first item, first file is named It's a Me Mario. Insert it into the sounds table with Mario's ID as character ID. Cool. Insert into sounds. What was it? Insert into यार इसमें लिखो ना. I mean I understand. Insert into values. Oh sorry. Values. It's a me dot vav. So its. It's a me dot vav. Wave. In the sounds table with Mario's ID as the character ID. For that, first I need to understand it's a sound ID and then the file name and then the character ID. But if they are all null. Do I put string or do I put because it's an audio file, so you'd need its address, right? We'll find out. And give its character ID. It's me, Mario. That did not work. Okay. Insert into values. Semicolon. I missed the semicolon. And I'll use quotes its hyphen me dot wave comma 1 syntax error. Yep, insert plus insert into sounds values it's a me dot wave 1 invalid for type integer. Done. Inserted. We passed the test. Yippee! Next, add another file name of ep.wav. Wave. ep. Use Mario's character ID again for the foreign key value. Error, duplicate key value. Key sound ID 1 already exists. Acha. But use this for the second value. Yup. Next, I'll finish till 80, then I should take a break. A big one. Add another row to sounds for Luigi named Haha. HAHA. Uses character ID this time. Luigi is of course the second one. Yup. Its value will be what? Yeah, I don't think I need to. But will this be 2 or will this be 3? 3, I think. Do we pass the test? Yes, we do. Add another row with the file name of... Oh, yeah. Use this one for Luigi as well. YEAH. Oh, yeah, oh, already, yeah. Done, inserted, and we are good to go. Add 2 more rows for peach sounds. Okay. Four, 5. It will be yay. Yay. Her character ID is Peach's character ID is 3. So we set it as 3. Then we write 6, comma, space, woo, who, dot wave, and the character ID will be the same. Okay. कहाँ पे? Yeah, there should be a comma, right? They're comma separated. Yep. Done. And we've passed it. Okay, add 2 more rows with the file names and Yahoo. The first one will be for Peach again. The second is for Mario. Mario is 1. So use the correct foreign key values. I shall. And these will now become 7, 8. You will be MM-MHM M, and Yahoo Yahoo.wave. Done, inserted. Cool. View all the data in the sounds table. Select all from sounds. We see 1 to 8 values. It's me, yippee, haha, oh yeah, yay, woohoo. Cool. You should be able to see one to many relationship better. Yes, one to many. Continue. See the one to many relationship. Create another new table called actions. Create table actions. Give it a column named action ID. कैसे लिखा था हमने? That's altering table. Add one or more columns. अच्छा ऐसे लिखते हैं. Okay. Alter table, add column, or I think yeah, that's it. Nope. Add table. Create table name and then column 1 data type length. अच्छा. Okay. बस कॉलम 1 का नाम लिखना है. एक्शंस के अंदर क्या? एक्शन आईडी. दैट्स ए टाइप ऑफ सीरियल. प्राइमरी की. Add the column with one comma. Yup. Create table has been created. Yup. Passed. Add a column named action to your new table. Okay. Alter table. Add column. What's the table called again? Actions. Add column called action. Give it a varchar max length of 20, unique and not null constraints. Done. It has been altered. Next, you know what, yeah, I think I'll stop it right here. When I come back, we will continue with all of this, as in the next live video. Yeah, see you guys. Thank you for joining. Have a great rest of the yeah, 1 घंटे में वापस आ जाऊँगा. 1 घंटे में हम लोग वापस शुरू करते हैं. Let's see what it all builds up to. Thank you.